Endplays and Coups, page 3. We'll start reading on page 2. West opens 2 diamonds. After 2 passes, you bid 3 no trump. That ends the auction. And we have the, let's see, opening lead of the King of Diamonds, which we can't do much with. East throws a heart, so he's got no diamonds, which means we know we had what, 4, 6, so he has 7 diamonds. And we're going to win that one, and we're going to hope that he doesn't get back in with his diamonds anytime soon. So we have 8 top tricks, right? There's 7 more here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Successful spade finesse would give you a 9th trick. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've taken 1, 7, 8. Yes. So there you go. It all depends on the spade finesse. But if you could throw him in and make West lead a spade, then you are guaranteed the 2nd spade trick. So let's play our hearts and clubs. We're pretty much eliminating those so that the opponents can't return them. So keeping alive the option of throwing him in and seeing if we can force him to lead spades. So we're leading a diamond knowing that West can take it, and hoping after he takes 4 diamonds that he has to lead a spade. And we've taken 7 tricks, all we need is those 2 spade tricks. So he does take it, and he is going to lead the diamond just like we thought. And does he have the spade he has to lead? Yes, he does. So we can take the last 2 spade tricks. And he did have the king, so the finesse would not have worked. So 3 no trump made.